Hello amigos, welcome to DT Creations, and today I am going to talk about some unknown facts about dark web. You have heard that the dark web is bad, but what exactly goes on there? These facts about the dark web will deeply unsettle you, and even some were scary too. The dark web is made accessible by a software called the Onion Router. This software makes a person's presence on the internet virtually anonymous, which is what makes the dark web so nefarious. The dark web is a unique part of the deep web, also known as hidden web, which includes basically any website you can't access through normal search engines. Number 1. It's a hotbed for criminal activity. The virtual untraceable nature of the dark web makes it a hotbed for criminal activity. Essentially, it's the black market of the internet. There are dark websites that can leak or trade your own personal information to strangers around the world, regardless of if you are on the dark web or not, because these things can potentially affect you. Second one, illegal weapons can be purchased on the darknet. While it is still legal for someone to purchase a machine gun in person, it is a hell of a lot easier to buy one on the dark web. You can't rely on the dark web to run background checks, especially since licensed gun shops often fail to do so anyway. And automatic weapons aren't the only lethal weapons for sale on the dark web. Third one, your identity can be stolen on the darknet. In 2014, 17.6 million people in the US were victims of identity theft. That's why you see commercials for anti-identity theft software all the time. It's also one of the disturbing facts about the dark web. Your personal information like your credit cards or banking information can easily be bought and sold to whomever wants it, and the people responsible most likely will not be found. If you lose your ID, that can also be anonymously sold on the dark web. Fourth one, people can buy hitmen there. Of course, someone who wants to order a hit can always find a way to do it in person, but the impersonal and anonymous aspects of buying a hitman online are more convenient. Basically, if there's a service you want, someone on the dark web will provide it for you. It is possible to hire people to commit murder, fraud, or virtually any other crime imaginable on the darknet. Fifth one, there are forums that talk about how best to cook people. We told you some of the facts about the dark web would scare you. Like we said earlier, any topic you can dream up is readily available on the dark web. If some of the most notorious serial killers had access to dark web, they probably would have committed more murders because there is a dark website that gives tips on how best to cook women. Sixth one, false documents are available for purchase. Terrorists have always managed to get by even without the dark web, but the dark web is still plentiful resources for those kinds of people. Aside from being able to purchase illegal weapons, false documents such as passports, birth certificates, and social security cards can be bought on the darknet. And the shocking thing is, I am from the dark web. I am just joking. Seventh one, it is a haven for serious sex offenders. Sex offenders and child pornographers can find things they like on the deep net, but they can easily get caught that way. The dark web contains the worst, most brutal porn sites you could think of. It's one of the unfortunate facts about the dark web that people can easily find a way to feed their sickness and abusive tendencies. Eighth one, it thrives off of Bitcoin. Part of what makes the dark web so anonymous is that purchases have to be made with Bitcoin. As you have probably recently heard, Bitcoin is the digital currency or cryptocurrency that is expected to take over the economy in the years to come. Well, if that's the case, then conducting illegal transaction will not only be much easier but much more common. Ninth one. And a shocking thing is it was running by US government. One of the scariest facts about the dark web is that it is backed by the US government. No, really. The software program that makes the dark web possible, the Onion Router, is sponsored by the US Department of State Bureau of Democracy, Human Rights and Labor. So how does that work when government-run institutions like the FBI are supposed to catch criminals? Good question, right? And we are end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe and like button. Go guys, hurry up.